Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Call Center. I'm going to unbox this new TCL phone. This is the newest version in their NXTPAPER, which you guys seem to really love the last one we did. A very interesting take on cell phone. This is not going to run you a lot. This is only $312 if you're to buy it outright from a company like, who is this, Virgin Mobile, I think it is, that can sell it. But what you want out of this one is it isn't a powerhouse. It's that NXTPAPER, really long-lasting battery, great for reading books on kind of thing. So we're going to review it. This model only has 128 gig storage, only has 4 gigs of RAM. So again, I'm looking at this is not very spec heavy. I think we are looking at stuff like 50 megapixel camera, single. What does it have for the resolution's not even full HD. Well, it's full HD, I guess you would say, but a good size screen, 6.8, about 6.75, 6.8 screen. So let's see what we got in here. So let's break this security. Like minimum, we'll break these. There we go. Okay. So TCL phone. Let's see what's in the box. That's going to have an instruction manual, USB-C cable, and the SIM ejector pin. I guess pretty much as it says. There we go. That's all that's in there. For your cable, nothing fancy. I mean, yeah, not many things come with a USB charging wall plug anymore, but that's okay. We've got a million of them around the house. And it's going to need the cord to power up because it doesn't have wireless charging, if I remember correctly reading the specs on this. So we'll go through a lot of this. Oh, come on. Let's get this. I hate to rip anything. Let's get that box. Get that there. And I can just probably slide that right up there. Didn't it? So, decent size. Whoops. It does have a dual back camera, but although I don't know if it's actually a dual back camera or is that just camera, rear camera. Oh, it's for 50 and a 5. And then it has a front camera at 32. And there's that kind of matte display. I don't know if you can see it in the light, where it's kind of diffuse looking to it. And that's what it uses to help that NXTPAPER kind of look to it. So yeah, 128 gig storage. It has a headphone jack. This is meant to be that relaxation device. So here's the OnePlus 15, about the same size, right? It's a 6.8 inch. This thing is 6.75 inch screen, but it's still even bigger. So I'm going to guess it's going to have some fairly large bezels in it. So let's see if we can get this guy powered up. Let's see what happens. It's got any juice. It's got some juice. Okay. And again, that telltale kind of matte, like a Kindle, like your Kindle reader, your ebook reader, kind of feel and look to it. Yeah. So yeah, not a lot of bells and whistles on this, and we'll play around with it in a bit. I'll let you guys know what I feel like, what it says. So yeah, you can see pretty decent bezels. It almost feels to me like almost lopsided. Dual SIM. That's cool. Dual SIM. I'll skip that. Put up offline. Continue. Does a fingerprint lock. 1111. Confirm. 1. Confirm. And the fingerprint is that. Okay, so there we go. The edge, like Next. We'll play around those in a bit. Yeah, accept. Yeah, we'll get it connected to the internet in a bit. We'll play around that in a bit. I like gesture. It's got circle to search on it. That's going to be an interesting thing. Okay. Yes, we'll get rid of that. Toggle the next paper up or down. So the last one had a few versions. It has like an e-paper, like a total black and white, or a light color version of it. So let's see what that was. So let's toggle it up. That's a little switch there. There we go. We got max ink mode, an ink paper mode, and a color paper mode. So 3 different settings. So this is the most like, yeah. There's a little splash, right? Whoosh. And it's going to look like right? So it's looking like an e-reader. So that's kind of cool. So I can go back to regular mode. And let's go into ink paper mode. So it's kind of like a lighter version of that. So yeah, I know. Back to regular. Let's go into the other one, color paper mode. I think this is what somebody might actually use this a lot for. So it's still muted, still some color into it. So yeah, and looks like it does have that circle to search. Okay, well, I'll do some reviews on it. I'll let you guys know what I think. $320 to buy this. Be a great sort of like travel companion. Don't want to bring your full phone with you? This might be the job. Okay, thanks.